Hey friends and buddies, I just got bored and finally figured out after about 2 years of not even touching Rubik's Cube, I finally figured out how to solve one. So just for the heck of it, I'm just bored tonight, so I'm just going to go solve it just for y'all, to see if I can still get it. I think I can. I did it a moment ago. So let's just start off with the getting this green right here. Looking pretty good so far. So let's just get the rest of them. Just bear with me, it takes a while. Now for our favorite part of solving every Rubik's Cube. Looks like it's not even close to being solved. But check this out. That just happened.